In the assessment component, students apply the unit's focused concepts in a context that mimics high-stakes testing. It also helps you monitor student learning and make instructional decisions about any interventions or reinforcements that may be necessary on your student's road to mastery. Let's check out the assessment component now. The assessment section captures student development of the unit's focus standard. But remember, you're not only assessing students, you're also teaching students how to be assessed on their learning. This still implies a guided student experience. It's a good idea to offer multiple opportunities to read the selection in varied classroom grouping models, and remind students as they work through the assessment component to use personal comprehension support strategies during readings such as accessing schema or visual cues, and asking questions when they notice their comprehension breaking down. You'll notice assessments in the Student Edition are laid out similarly to the state assessment format. This maximizes the opportunity for transfer and increases the likelihood that students will utilize their critical thinking strategies they've learned during state testing time to answer selected and constructed response items for reading comprehension, revising, editing, and composition. The extended constructed response requires students to draw on their thinking to compose authentic narrative responses to prompts that address narrative writing standards. An ELA GSC aligned 4-point rubric is available in your teacher resource section to help you score student responses. You've probably noticed that ThinkUp ELA offers multiple opportunities for reflection. Research shows metacognitive reflection helps students fully conceptualize and retain new knowledge. Adding reflected stops during a unit helps students create a scrapbook of their learning journey to see how their knowledge has grown and their thinking has deepened along the way. You can even give students the opportunity at the close of the unit to read through all their unit reflections to help them recognize how their knowledge has developed.